Why does it seem like everyone has allergies these days? Why are allergies doubling and tripling worldwide? Allergies, once a rare occurrence, have become a widespread issue impacting millions globally. From seasonal sneezes to life-threatening anaphylaxis, the prevalence of allergies has skyrocketed over the past few decades. But why? Scientists have been delving into factors like modern lifestyles, environmental changes, and even our obsession with cleanliness to understand why our immune systems seem to be overreacting more than ever. Let's uncover the science behind the rise in allergies. What are allergies? At their core, allergies are the result of a miscommunication between our immune system and the environment. The immune system, designed to protect us from harmful pathogens, mistakenly flags harmless substances or allergens as dangerous invaders. Allergies occur when the immune system releases a cascade of inflammatory responses against otherwise benign substances. This happens because immune cells, particularly mast cells, release histamine and other chemicals in response to an allergen. Common allergens include environmental factors such as pollen, mold, pet dander and dust mites. Foods such as peanuts, shellfish, dairy and wheat. Medications such as antibiotics and NSAIDs. Symptoms vary from sneezing, runny nose, itchy eyes, hives, swelling, wheezing and difficulty breathing to life-threatening anaphylaxis. Over the last few decades, allergy cases have surged, especially in industrialized countries. Allergy rates have doubled or tripled since the 1980s in many regions. Food allergies in children, particularly to nuts and dairy, are at an all-time high. Respiratory conditions, like asthma and hay fever, are becoming more common, even in rural areas where they were once rare. Why the increase matters. Allergies are not just an inconvenience, they significantly impact quality of life. Chronic allergies lead to missed school or work days, increased healthcare costs, and, in severe cases, hospitalization. From peanut butter bans in schools to skyrocketing seasonal allergies, what's causing our immune systems to go haywire? Scientists have some ideas. First, the hygiene hypothesis. Our ultra-clean lifestyles might be to blame. One of the leading theories for the rise in allergies is the hygiene hypothesis. It suggests that our obsession with cleanliness and reduced exposure to microbes in early life may prevent the immune system from developing properly. In the past, children were regularly exposed to dirt, animals, and natural microbes, which helped train their immune systems. Today, with widespread use of sanitizers, antibacterial soaps, and antibiotics, our immune systems lack this early education. Scientific support? Children raised on farms or in homes with pets tend to have lower allergy rates. Why? The microbial diversity in these environments seems to teach the immune system to tolerate harmless substances. Excessive cleaning removes not just harmful pathogens, but also beneficial microbes, leaving the immune system underprepared for real threats. Next, environmental factors. Modern environmental changes play a pivotal role in driving the allergy epidemic. 1. Air pollution. Urbanization has led to increased exposure to pollutants like diesel exhaust, which irritates airways and worsens allergic responses. Tiny, particulate matter in polluted air acts as carriers for allergens, making them more potent and harmful. Pollutants like particulate matter, diesel exhaust, and ozone irritate the respiratory tract and can make individuals more susceptible to airborne allergens like pollen. 2. Chemical exposure. Household chemicals, plastics, and pesticides can disrupt the immune system. Some studies suggest that chemicals like phthalates and BPA may act as Endocrine disruptors, altering immune responses. 3. Climate change. Rising global temperatures lead to earlier springs and prolonged pollen seasons, exposing people to allergens for longer periods. Increased carbon dioxide promotes plant growth, particularly in allergenic species like ragweed, intensifying pollen-related allergies. Studies have shown that pollen counts are significantly higher today than they were 50 years ago. 4. Diet and gut microbiota. Modern diets, high in processed foods and low in fiber, alter gut bacteria. Artificial ingredients, emulsifiers, and preservatives may also provoke inflammatory responses. Modern diets often have lower anti-inflammatory omega-3 fatty acid intake and higher pro-inflammatory omega-6 intake, which could contribute to allergic diseases. The gut contains a large portion of the immune system, and an imbalance in gut bacteria can lead to an overactive immune system. A lack of diversity in gut microbiota weakens immune system regulation, making it more prone to overreact. Traditional, fiber-rich diets seem to protect against allergies by fostering a healthier gut ecosystem. Next, lifestyle and modern living. Our daily habits and environments have shifted drastically, contributing to higher allergy rates. Spending more time indoors increases exposure to indoor allergens like dust mites, pet dander, and mold. Reduced time in nature limits exposure to the microbial diversity that helps train the immune system. With more time spent indoors, many people have lower levels of vitamin D, a nutrient crucial for regulating the immune system and reducing allergic responses. Sedentary lifestyles also affect overall immunity and inflammation, compounding the issue. While vaccinations and antibiotics save lives, they also mean fewer natural infections in early childhood. These infections were historically critical for teaching the immune system to differentiate between threats and harmless substances. For years, parents were advised to avoid introducing allergenic foods like peanuts early in a child's diet. Recent research shows this delay may actually increase the risk of food allergies. Next, genetic factors. Allergies often run in families. If one parent has allergies, the child has about a 30 to 50% chance of developing them. If both parents are allergic, this rises to 70 to 80%. However, genetics alone cannot explain the rapid increase. Environmental triggers are necessary to activate genetic predisposition. Next, psychological stress and allergies. Chronic stress can dysregulate the immune system, making it more reactive to allergens. Increased urbanization and modern lifestyles often come with higher stress levels, which might indirectly contribute to allergic conditions. Next, paradox of progress. Modern medical advancements, while life-saving, have had unintended consequences. Babies born via cesarean section are less exposed to beneficial vaginal microbes, which may affect their immune system. Breast milk contains antibodies and beneficial bacteria that strengthen immunity, which formula-fed babies may miss. Lastly, overdiagnosis and awareness. Advanced diagnostic tools have improved our ability to detect and label allergies, which might contribute to the perceived rise. Public health campaigns and widespread knowledge about allergies have made people more vigilant and likely to seek medical attention for mild symptoms that previously went unnoticed. Understanding the multifactorial causes of allergies allows us to take proactive steps to mitigate their rise while promoting healthier environments and lifestyles. Why do allergies exist? At first glance, allergies may seem like an irrational overreaction of the immune system to harmless substances. However, from an evolutionary and biological perspective, allergies might serve underlying purposes. which researchers are only beginning to understand. Allergies may have evolved as a defense system to protect against harmful environmental substances, such as plant toxins or venom. Example: sneezing and coughing in response to airborne allergens help expel potentially harmful particles from the respiratory system. Allergies share similarities with immune responses against parasites like helminths. The production of IgE antibodies central to allergic reactions may have originally evolved to combat parasites. With reduced exposure to parasites in modern environments, the immune system may misfire and respond to benign substances instead. Allergies may have helped humans adapt to new environments by identifying and avoiding potentially dangerous substances, even if they weren't life-threatening. Increased exposure to pollutants, dietary changes, and urbanization may overstimulate the immune system, making allergic responses more common. Are there any benefits to allergies? Yes. Symptoms like sneezing, itching, or watery eyes serve as immediate warnings of potential irritants, helping individuals avoid further exposure. Allergic reactions such as sneezing, coughing, or vomiting effectively remove allergens or toxins from the body. Some researchers suggest that allergies might reduce cancer risk by increasing immune surveillance and eliminating carcinogens before they can cause harm. While allergies might have been adaptive in ancestral environments, modern lifestyles exacerbate allergic responses. So, what can we do? The rise in allergies is a puzzle, but with smart strategies, we can reduce our risks. While we can't change our genes, we can modify our lifestyle and environment to minimize allergy risks. 1. Early introduction of allergens. Introducing peanuts and other allergenic foods between 4 to 6 months of age can lower the likelihood of food allergies. 2. Prioritize your gut health. Eating a fiber-rich, diverse diet supports a healthy gut microbiome, which plays a central role in regulating immune responses. Probiotic-rich foods like yogurt and fermented vegetables can further boost gut health. Increase omega-3 intake, eat fresh fruits and vegetables, and avoid excessive processed foods. 3. Embrace nature. Encourage outdoor play and activities like gardening to expose children to beneficial microbes. Spending time in natural environments helps diversify the immune system's training. 4. Avoid over-sanitization. Ditch the antibacterial soaps unless absolutely necessary. Regular exposure to common bacteria can help balance the immune system. Reduce unnecessary antibiotic use. Lastly, improve air quality and reduce chemical exposure. Advocate for policies that reduce pollution and promote green spaces. Minimize contact with harmful household chemicals and plastics. In essence, the rise in allergies is a multifactorial problem involving genetics, environment, diet, and modern living. While some factors are beyond our control, we can take practical steps to support immune health. By understanding these trends, we can work toward creating healthier environments for future generations and curb the allergy epidemic.